So this is our daily Nifty chart. The good point is we have seen a small gap up in Nifty today from yesterday's close, and there was a good sell-off which has happened on Friday. But at the end, the sell-off was taken off, and there was good amount of buying. Now, if we see from the daily chart, there is a downtrend in Nifty. By downtrend means it is basically making lower highs if you see at every levels, right? So there will be pressure on Nifty, and normally in order to Nifty to go up, the big resistance zones is 9,900 and 9,950, right? So it needs to breach these two levels in order to become bullish. Let's go down and see what's happening in 15 minutes. So quick reversal had happened on Friday uh, closing, as we see over here. It had open gap down, went all the way down, and a reversal from the support zone had already taken place. Today it opens up, and if we see, it opens up straight away higher than this level, 9850, right, where continuous selling had been seen prior, which was also a gap down level and went down, it zoomed up, and today it opened above 9850 level. So it did open up, it did test over here 9850 and went all the way up. Now problem there is on the upside as well, because there is these are the gap down level. So it is now a testing mode of Nifty, whether it will be able to take off from 9,900 and 9,950. So there will be a downward pressure on Nifty as such. So, but there is a reversal which has been seen in Nifty, but a good bullishness is not possible. Right? So the good upside is not possible in Nifty. Let's see how it pans out at these levels around 9,900. So from 15 minutes, it was pretty much clear that yes, it opened up and then it zoomed higher. So there was small gap up, and this support was also basically been given by Infosys, because now Infosys has stopped going down. Today it's hardly down, only by 1% or 2. So that has also given some support to Nifty. Now let's go down to Bank Nifty. This Bank Nifty
हेलो सर, आपका माइक्रोफोन म्यूट पे है।
Hello. Yeah, so this is 5 minute chart of Bank Nifty. Okay, if we see Bank Nifty, a good amount of selling has happened all the way down, and from this 24,000 level, a good support or buying came up in Bank Nifty. Now, if we go down and see the gap which is formed today, it was fluttering around this level, which was a good amount of selling point prior, right? So what happens today in Bank Nifty? It opens up, it zooms higher, right, and it again comes back. So Bank Nifty basically shows you that yes, the trend of upside is not there enough, but this level will be important. The today's low, and it is also a Moribazu level on the higher side. So 24 130 and 24 120 are the points where Bank Nifty needs to come down, and then it will reverse from these areas. So on intraday level, you can be a buyer in Bank Nifty if you get a good reversal pattern. And if we see on the upside, Bank Nifty does not have a good amount of upside. So maximum it can go up to 24 400, right? Why 24 400? Because big amount of selling has happened from this area. If we see technically Nifty and Bank Nifty, they are more or less in a consolidated manner zone. So neither a big upside is possible, neither a big downside is possible. So we need to be cautious when we are trading these two charts. Even on the Nifty, if you see a good reversal has started on the downside, but we will be cautious and we will keep this level 9850 in mind as to what's happening on Nifty as well.